Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you saw from the intro video, I'm going to be reviewing, if I can speak, the Cosmolle shapewear. I believe it's shapewear and underwear. They sent me a beautiful package, which you guys saw in the beginning, so we're just gonna get right into it. The first thing I want to mention is that they did send me 2 bras and 2 pairs of underwear, as well as the solution for cleaning the bra and underwear. Now, the underwear that they sent me were 2 thongs, and I'm not that kind of woman. I'm not going to be putting on a thong and showing you guys on camera. I can put it over my leggings, but I did bring the thong out. It is clean, by the way, so you guys can get a good look at what it is, what it looks like. So this is the thong. You can see that's the back, and this is the front. What I like about it is that it is a lot of front space, okay? A lot of front space, which I like. This thong is so thin, you don't even know it's on. Like, there's been plenty of times where I had this on because they gave me 2, and I was like, I forgot I was wearing underwear. Well, technically a thong is really underwear, but if you know Skims and their underwear, because I do have Skims underwear, it is very thin and lightweight. You feel like you're not wearing anything, and this is how the thong is. So the underwear is very comfortable. Now, the other bra I wore already, you know, just to test it out. I am probably going to have to get a bigger size because I have some watermelons, not even cantaloupes, but watermelons. So, I'm going to take it out right out of the packaging. Okay. And it's kind of like, to me, like it still has the... So this bra is a little bit different. So the other one is kind of like a sports bra. There is no straps. This one actually has straps in the back. Oh, okay. I was not expecting that. Okay, and there is an opening there, which I'll probably take the pads out because honestly, I'm not a fan of pads in any kind of bra. None of my bras have padding in them. So I'm gonna put this on with the padding, and then I'm gonna take the padding off and then tell you how it feels, okay? Okay, so I have the bra on, and right off the bat, I am noticing this is not my size. I have some spillage on the side, obviously. I don't know if that could be the pads taking up room. It has like compression area. Maybe I need to use that to get this all, you know, situated, okay? And the first thing I noticed is that the bra fits much better without the pads in there. And the good thing I like about this, which I thought was cool, is that the pads they're connected. So when I took them out, they all came out in one. So that's really good. So I don't know if you can tell, but the back strap is seamless. I don't know if you can see that through there. But yeah, I do like that about the bra. Hopefully I don't get demonetized from having, you know, the chi-chis out. So as you can see, the thong comes up very high, okay? Comes up very high. It's like a high-waisted thong, you know. That's how it looks like in the back. Very stretchy, very breathable, and the white part starts all the way like right here. This is my other bra that I had on. You could kind of see the lines. You can't really see, this is my boobies, but you don't see any lines at all. Definitely very seamless. I do really like this shapewear brand. I especially like the thong underwear. I only really wear it to sleep because I don't like wearing underwear to sleep. I don't like wearing any clothes to sleep, if I'm being completely honest, because I get hot too fast. I do like this bra very much. Now that it was my first time trying this one on, I'd say the support on this is like probably light to medium. I'd rate this brand an 8 out of 10. Maybe I'd give it a 10 out of 10 if I had my actual size. As far as the underwear, definitely a 10 out of 10 because it reminds me of Skims, and I love my Skims underwear. But yes, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope this video was helpful to you if you're thinking about purchasing anything from this brand. Like I said, I have a discount code that I'll put in the description box, and I'll also put the links to what I have in the description box as well. And if you have any questions, you can always leave a comment. I am a hawk when it comes to my comments because I don't get much of them. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up and a like if it was helpful, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.